Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word tall. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The tall skyscraper towered over the city skyline. Tall describes something of great height, typically measuring above average in vertical dimension compared to other objects or beings. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.